Hello Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Guys, in this video I'm talking about Dogecoin price prediction. What's the price changes occur on the Dogecoin. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please kindly subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So guys, first of all, now if we talk about the right now price of Dogecoin in the market, so 0.203171 USD dollar, that is right now price from and the right now price of Dogecoin. And furthermore, guys, if we study the changes update of Dogecoin, so now last 1 hour update is going positive, except of last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Dogecoin is completely negative, guys. Very badly the price dump. Let me show you the price chart of Dogecoin. You can see here, guys, that obviously the price of Dogecoin very badly dumps, going down from yesterday. But every coin I found positive in last 2 hours, guys. Same like that, Dogecoin also going positive in just in last 2 hours, guys. So possibilities, guys, that for a long time Dogecoin will continue this pump possibilities. And I also predicated Dogecoin that there is a higher possibilities, there is a 80 to 90% chances that in the beginning of a new month, I mean at the beginning of October, the Dogecoin price will pump. So guys, what do you think? What is your prediction about Dogecoin, and how do you feel today about Dogecoin? Please also share your feelings in the comment box, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. And if we talk about the changes, so in the last 1 day, negative 2.7% changes occur in the Dogecoin, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.